Vietnam, Da Nang. First time ko na masasakay ng malapit. 2D yung aking boarding pass. So, kaya lang, wala nga lang akong katabi dito. Ako lang mag-isa. Na meron na namang train. Mamaya ulit, pagka nandun na kami. It's already 7:30. Dito kami sa Cebu Pacific. Mamaya ulit. Bye! Ito yung dinner namin dito sa airplane. Char siu chicken. This was our dinner. We're on the final landing. It's already 10 p.m. sa atin. Pero ahead tayo ng 1 hour dito sa Vietnam. So, we're going on the final landing. Here in Da Nang. We're here in Da Nang. Nag-land kami ng 9:15 dito. Kasi 1 hour ahead tayo doon saan.
Sige, ama ko na ka na. Ito, dito. Sige,
We're here in Da Nang.
dito.
Oo nga, ano, ang ganda.
Gusto ka na.
Time check. Anong oras na?
9:36.
9:36 ng gabi here in Da Nang. We're here. Nasa labas na kami ng airport. Ayun. Kain like dinner here in Vietnamese noodle. Yung noodles. Kain namin today. Like, this is our dinner. Light daw. Ewan ko lang.
One more vegetarian.
It's really a
Kaya ito lalagay
Vietnamese.
dito na.
Hello, mag-aalauna na dito sa atin, pero dito alas 12 pa lang mahigit. Ito yung room. Ayan. Banyo namin. May bathtub. Ewan ko lang kung magagamit namin. See-through pala sa kwarto.
Ay,
Ayan. Ayan. Oh, maluwang-luwang naman. Ang aming kwarto. Meron pang ganon. Meron pang sofa. Ewan ko lang din kung mauupuan or makakapag-relax. Kahit saan? May terrace daw, pero hindi na namin magagamit kasi late na masyado.
Nakakalabas.
Hello, good morning. It's our bali second day kasi medyo late na kami dumating kagabi. Siguro mga alauna na kami natulog dito dahil nga medyo late na yung dating. Tapos naligo pa. So, ngayon, kailangan naming gumising na maaga kasi may lakad uli ng mga river. We're going to pupunta kami sa Santa Terra Peninsula, yung Marina Copila Bridge. Tapos, we're going to Han Bridge, Dragon Bridge, at saka Pink Church. Half day tour lang kami today kasi may gala night mamaya. Mamaya, pakikita ko sa inyo. Pero, pakita ko muna yung ano ng aming hotel. Yung view sa labas. Teka. Ayan. Yan yung view sa labas. Ayan. Ito yung room namin. May terrace kami. Tapos, ayan yung ano, yung view. Sa gilid kami ng river ata to. Ewan ko kung beach or river. Hindi tayo makikita. This is the view in our... Masyado. We're here in the temple. Standing Buddha here. Ayun, nakatalikod siya. Tapos, ang daming bonsai, oh. Ang lalaki na niya. Diba? Ayan. So, init nga man lang nga lang. Sobrang init sa ngayon. Dahil di ko alam kung bakit ganyan kainit ngayon dito. Ganda ng mga ano, oh. Look! Patalikod lang. Gaganda ng bonsai, oh. Masisira ang kutis ng lola mo. Look at that.
Yun na ba sila? Wala na ba?
Ay, tayo bababa tayo.
Halika, halika. Ito na yung Buddha na nakaharap. Standing Buddha. Picture sila. We're here in Marina Coffee Shop. Here in Ay, hello, ate. Ay, hello po. Strawberry and tiramisu. Then salted coffee. This is the Dragon Bridge. Tsaka the bridge ata. Basta yan yun. Dragon Bridge.
The scarf. But how about the big one?
Silkworm.
2 inside. And we use this one for making the blanket. And you know, in Asian town, they don't have a lot of skincare, right? So I showed you a tip. Yellow, white.
Making some
How about you? The yellow. But the reason is, the first reason, in Vietnam, in Asian town, not
using that to make soup.
The yellow color is represent for the power. If the normal people like me use the yellow cucumber to color, maybe I do. Okay, so nowadays you have the collagen.
So cute. Gawaan ng silk. I'm sure napakamahal niyan.
To go to the rooftop bar of the Novotel on the right side. It's a Novotel. The day we enjoy the river cruise just opposite of the hotel that the boat key for having a boat trip. So after the boat trip, you can stay there and enjoy the.
This is a Dragon River. Like this. You see that? Dragon River.
On the right, the bridge, the yellow bridge, built by French people in early 1950 for army transfer their weapons. But further, that the Dragon Bridge. This is the Dragon Bridge,
Yeah,
right?
that's the Dragon Bridge.
Skinny body bridge. The head to the sea, but the tail to the mountain. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the river city, right? And over there, you can see all the local residential areas, people living here in this area. But the other side, beach city, that's for tourists with hotel and entertainment places.
It's our lunch. Ano ba yan? Isa?
Anong mura ate Jer?
Ha?
Anong mura na?
Ito. Ano ba, re? Try natin. Kahit isa-isa lang.
Sige.
Shellfish din. Baka maanghang eh.
Ito, manghang lang. Ang tamig lang pero hindi. Shell din. Iba yung bus mo eh. Yung group mo ba yan?
Durian cake. Melon pie. Like this. Pomelo. Ano ba yung masarap?
Wala akong magbili, tapos makita yung ate sa vlog mo. Ang dami sa baba.
Hindi naman siya nanonood. We're here. Gastos na naman. Tropical fruit roll daw. Hindi ko alam kung tinapay yun or something. Asan ba yung ano, yung nahanap natin? It's our gala night today. Tagkem, gala dinner. Ayan, nakalagay. Meron. Hindi pa lang kami pinapapasok, pero eto sila lahat. Naka-Vietnamese costume kami lahat.
one of the kind that I saw in my life, that it's like I'm in Switzerland, but it's hot. You know, you see the cable car. The number one that we do is we are sure.
Basically, parang ni-inhibit niya yung growth ng damo. So, yung group 2 na Bispiripaxogen naman is ALS inhibitor. So, yun po yung nag-inhibit ng acetolactic.
A harmony of colors, movement,
And emotion.
Professor Viet and Nam of Patken. Round of applause.
Biskaya, Pilipino, basta. Sabi dito sa more English, sabay na, no?
Okay.
And then,
It's your time to shine!
Especially the Theo who give me a chance to bring also.